Alright guys, we're back at the truck today. So today Dave and I are going to be putting on these mud flaps we got. We got the ones for the back. And then we also got ones for the battery boxes. And then we're going to have to get like more for the back of the hood. And then the front of these fenders as well. But these are the ones we got for now.
They're just a plain black with the silver Peterbilt on it.
We're going to have to trim off some at the top, as you guys can see. We're a little long, and we don't want them dragging and backing over it and ripping this off too. So we'll have to measure this up, maybe cut like that much off, and then throw them on there.
So you guys can notice, or I don't know if you guys can notice, but the frame is painted. We did paint the frame off camera, so it's not rusty or anything anymore, and it looks really good actually. What do you think, E?
Yeah, looks good. We gotta finish cleaning up some areas, but it looks pretty good for an old truck.
So we got it cut to the right size. Now we gotta drill the 4 holes. I just finished putting on all the mud flaps, all 4 of them, the 2 on the battery box and then 2 back here, and we'll get you guys a little look at them here. So here's the ones down here. Still got to get the ones for behind the fenders up here for the front driver's sides, but looks pretty good. Battery box ones. I mean, it cleans it up a lot. Still got to also get these ones here too. Get the silver ones. That looks like that was red, white, and blue. Pretty cool. But I got these ones on back here, and definitely just putting mud flaps on it cleans it up a lot. Alright, so the other day in the other video you guys saw that I was up here putting these on. I only got 1 screw in, so now I gotta go through and put all of them, all the screws back in, and then they'll be done. And then I think we're gonna start taking off, I don't know, I guess that's an antenna, maybe all these antennas, and then we're taking the horns off, and I think we're gonna put some train horns on it. It's just the lights up here have a clean, you know, nice look to it. Before we take off those horns up there, we're gonna pop off this headliner so we can close up the holes that it makes when we take them off. Yeah, the horns, and then we also think we're also gonna put
2 more lights
in between them.
So we got 7 on the top.
7 lights up here. So right where that bracket is for that 1 horn, I think we're going to put another light on each side. We'll just have 7 lights up top. I think that'll look good, don't you, E?
Yeah, I think it looks sweet.
Alright, let's
we gotta take them horns off the top for sure. Alright, so we got all the horns off the top, and now Dave and I just set those 2 middle lights up there. We gotta drill out the holes for the wire to feed through, and then we gotta actually bolt them down up there. But you wanna see it, show them what it looks like?
Yeah, they're just sitting up there right now.
Looks a lot better than those raggedy horns that were up there.
Oh yeah.
Got the approval from Phil.
And then we gotta plug the rest of the holes that are up there.
Yeah, from the horns.
I mean, it's only gonna be a temporary plug for now. Once like the truck actually gets painted and everything, it's, you know, we'll do like a nice flush plug up there with everything. But you know, we're working with what we got, what we can do now. So this is the best we can do.
We got the interior all torn apart and everything still. And then, I mean, it's.
Yeah, we got everything hanging. We gotta plug
But
all
we're actually gonna, yeah, we gotta.
lines for the.
Yeah, the airlines.
We could probably
gotta
run one of these
plug
too. Like when we
drain
mount the new air horns under the frame.
So I'm using the sheet of metal that we have for a straight edge, and I'm lining it up with this light and this light so I can see how far forward I need to put this, and then I'll mark it, and then I'm gonna measure like side to side each light, or the backs actually, and then that'll tell me where it actually to, you know, put the
Line
light.
it up.
Yeah, and then we'll mark the holes and drill,
Can we get it in?
but measure twice.
Yeah.
Drill
Or
once.
cut twice. Sorry, what?
What?
It's like cut twice. It's usually what we do.
Yeah. So we got this one in, it's all screwed down, got the wires inside. It looks awesome. And my alignment job was pretty good, wasn't it, E?
Yeah, not too bad.
Yeah, so now we gotta do this one over here, same thing, line up that plate, drill the holes, but I gotta adjust this one right here. You can see it's a little crooked, so gotta move the thing underneath, the squishy thing, to the side.
Alright guys, so we got this front plate fixed. The guy ended up just welding on a whole new aluminum bracketry here.
Piece. He said the other one, someone tried to weld it before.
And it was just too far gone.
Yeah, so he just put a new piece and drilled the holes for us. So
Looks great.
now we can finally get the new bumper
we've
on.
been lugging around
Blind
for
mount.
2 weeks in the back of your truck.
Yep.
Yeah,
But
so that looks awesome.
Yep, but we still got to finish the wire up the lights for the cab, or the cab lights, and then plug the holes up there from the horns.
Yeah, let's get to it.
The moment we've been waiting for, it's time to put the new bumper on, since we got that piece welded on up front. We got all new hardware to mount the brackets
All
to the
stainless
truck.
steel.
Yep, to mount the brackets to the truck, and then obviously it comes with the hardware to mount the brackets to the bumper.
Yeah.
So let's go ahead and throw it on here.
Alright guys, be a wrap for today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed us finally getting that fresh bumper on. It looks awesome. And getting the new lights up top, putting the 7 on, and getting rid of those old crusty horns up there. We are going to mount new air horns underneath the frame, probably in the back underneath the deck plate that we got on as well. I don't know, did they get to see that deck plate yet?
I think so.
Well, either not, you'll see clips in it. We'll
Yeah.
throw some in. We also got the new mud flaps we put on. Those look awesome. We got to get the new ones for the front of the hood here, for the front and back, and also for the bottom section of those rear fenders. What else did we throw on? Sorted through all that mess of wiring up in the top of that visor up there. And as soon as we head out of here, we're going to Crum Depot because we got to pick up the new corner lights for the headlights here. We're getting the new LEDs, and we have to get the, what else are we getting there?
The center catch for the
Oh
the
yeah,
wheel.
put the precious cargo right here, the lug nuts on.
Yeah, but there's some more stuff.
Yeah.
That's
We gotta get the brace for the bottom of the bumper. We have to get that sorted tomorrow.
Yep, this down here. We gotta get the long bolt and so we can hook that up right there. But there's a lot we still got to do to this truck.
But definitely in this video, you guys had to see a big transformation.
Yeah.
Look at this thing.
Yeah.
And then we took off those nose pillars.
Yeah, the side things right here. Which I
see the marks.
but we got to get this whole truck polished and everything, but I think it looks a lot better without those things on it.
It looks great, guys. So if you like what you see on this channel, obviously hit the subscribe button. And if you like this video, you know, give it a like. It helps us out and lets YouTube know that, you know, we're doing something good here. All right, till next time, guys. Thanks for watching.